Welcome to the meditation channel. When you're ready, close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Now, if you prefer, you can also have your pet near you or on you while you do this meditation, if possible. This meditation is designed to help you heal your pet. Just like we have the ability to heal ourselves, we also have the ability to channel energies through us into our pets. Now, today we will be working with the angelic realm and the elemental realm. It is very important to understand that when working with the elementals, they expect some kind of exchange. And so this means doing good for Mother Earth. The elementals are the angels of nature and animals. So if you're going for a walk and you see a piece of trash and you get the instinct to pick it up and throw it away, I invite you to do so. You will be guided in the next few days on what to do, whether it's recycling or just taking better care of Mother Nature. All right, so let's begin. Taking a moment now to either think about your pet or connect to your pet. If you can place your hands above them, or simply thinking about them or visualizing yourself placing your hands above them. And let it go. Deep breath in and let it go. Just soothing our nervous system. Another one, deep breath in. And last one, let it go. Returning your breath to its natural rhythm and just being as present as possible. We now invite our mind's eye, our third eye, to awaken and to open. Inviting ourselves to see beyond what we cannot. Awakening our intuition, our inner vision. And now with your third eye, scan your pet from head to toe. Starting from the top of their head and just moving down their body. And trust your inner vision, just see what your inner eye sees. Don't worry if you feel like you're projecting images, just observe. Notice what comes up, notice what you see, notice where you see the tension, the illness, the blocks, the injuries. See yourself having X-ray vision right now. And now taking it further, take a moment to check with your pet's aura and chakras. Take a look at their energy field and just notice if there is any gaps or any darkness in their aura. Beautiful. Now we're going to call for assistance. We now call forth the angelic realm to help us heal our pets. To give us the healing touch, to channel the frequencies of the light through us into them with peace, with love. Giving us the clarity and the strength to do this, we give the angelic realm today full permission to help us. And now I want you to visualize a beautiful celestial white light falling above your head, gently entering your head, moving down your neck, down your shoulders, down both of your arms, and through the palm of your hands. That light gently merges through. And that light now connects to your pet. Seeing that beautiful celestial light gently moving through and around your pet. And now allowing this light to move through their body. Trusting that the angels know exactly what to do. And this light gently moves and finds the area or areas that need healing at this time. And as you do this, now we will invite the elementals. We now call forth the elementals, the fairies of the animals. We invite you today to help us in this healing. We gracefully ask for your assistance and for your help and for your magic. Please help my pet, restoring their energy field, their chakras, and anything else that you may help them with at this time. And if you like, just take a moment of gratitude, sending your appreciation to the elementals. Trusting that now they are repairing and restoring their energy field. And now visualizing the illness, the injury, whatever it may be, gently being removed and released from their body. You can see this as a dark energy entering the palm of your hand, moving up your system and out of the top of your head. And that dark energy is being replaced with that healing light. Set the intention now to heal them, to send them love. Open your heart to this miracle. And now synchronize it with your breath. On the in-breath, you're removing the negativity, the injury, the illness. And on the out-breath, you're helping them heal, repair, and restore their system. Just continue to do this for a few more breaths. And now just see the last of that dark energy being removed. And when you're ready, we're going to complete the healing now. I ask now the elementals and the angels to continue the healing today, to help my pet be at peace, allowing them to heal and to not suffer. Thank you. And finally, that beautiful white light dims down. And when you're ready, you can close your third eye now, gently returning back to your natural state. And again, taking a moment of gratitude for the angelic and the elemental assistance today. And when you're ready, you can begin to return back to your body, back to the space. Gently and slowly bringing yourself back. No rush, and when you're ready, open your eyes.